Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English OPE, class 5. I welcome you all in our first lecture of unit number 2 and lesson number 3. Dear students, I hope all of you are fine by the blessings of Almighty Allah and by the prayers of your parents and elders. Dear students, without making any wastage of time, we are going through in our lecture number 1 of unit 2 and lesson 3. So first of all, the activity or heading is given to us. We must read first of all it and try to understand the meaning of the lesson. First of all, it is read and choose the correct answer. You have to read the passage completely and try to choose the correct answer from who quarreled. Quarrel means to fight. Who quarreled? A. Lucy and her cousin Alice. B. Lucy's dad and his brother 8. So we have to read the complete lesson and then we have to choose which answer is correct. Who quarreled? A. Lucy and her cousin Alice, or B. Lucy's dad and his brother 8. Okay, so first of all, dear students, there are many difficult words in the lesson. I am sharing all the words with their complete meaning here. So as you are watching on your screen, these are the difficult words as I have written the activity here. Difficult words and their meaning. You must capture a picture from your screen here and try to memorize the meaning of these difficult words. Dear students, it is worse luck. Worse luck means misfortune. Quarrel means, as I told you, to fight. Helpless means having no help. Hesitate. You have seen many people talking too hesitatively. They stop and they speak. They stop and they speak again and again. It is called hesitate. That merely means stammer. Courage means bravery or daring. Stammer means hesitate. As hesitate means stammer, so stammer means also hesitate. Number 7, argument. Argument means continuous, contentious speech act at a dispute where there is strong disagreement. Contentious speech act a dispute where there is strong disagreement. जहाँ पर बहुत सी बातों में इख्तलाफ हो, उन इख्तलाफों की बातों को हम आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कहते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ इट इज़ स्प्लिट अप. स्प्लिट अप टू मीन्स ब्रेक अप, means stay away from one another. Confide means to confer a trust upon. If someone is talking to you and he or she is not telling you the secrets, it is not confide. But when he or she is talking with you and telling you all the secrets and all the private talks, he or she confers trust upon you. Confide means to confer trust upon you or someone. Disagreement means cross purposes. Disagreement means not having same purposes, not having same talks, not having same decisions and suggestions, or can be called arguments, as I told you here. And finally, snap. Snap means a sudden sharp noise. As we are sitting, sometimes we talk just in a high volume and we say something, stop. So what is it? It will be called snap, a sudden sharp noise. Okay, I think all of you have got the words with your meanings. Now we have to go through in our lesson and read about them. So it is for you to read, but now I am making it for you. So first of all, two people or two female are talking, sisters Kate and Alice. Bigger sister is Alice and younger sister is Kate. So, did you get a birthday card from Alice? Kate asked. Did you get a birthday card from? Kate asked. No. Worse luck. Worse luck means misfortune. Worse luck, replied her sister Lucy. I don't know how she is or where she is. We have the same birthday, so I couldn't send her a card either. यहाँ पर दो बहनें केट और ल्यूसी आपस में बात कर रही हैं अपनी कज़न के बारे में. तो एक बहन ने अपनी बहन से पूछा कि क्या आपको ल्यूसी की तरफ से बर्थडे का कार्ड मिला. तो बड़ी सिस्टर ल्यूसी ने कहा कि नहीं, हमारी बदकिस्मती है कि हम नहीं दे पाए और हम दोनों का बर्थडे सेम डेट पर है और मैं भी उसे कार्ड नहीं सेंड कर पाई. यू मिस हर डोंट यू? आस्क्ड कैट. Then her sister asked that, you miss her, don't you? Of course I do, agreed Lucy. She agreed that she misses her cousin Alice. It seems wrong that I can't see my own cousins. I wish Uncle Ed and Dad hadn't quarreled. I feel so helpless sometimes. Come on, suggested Kate. I am sure there is something we can do. Now the younger sister Kate is trying to make her sister agree that they can do anything to support their family, to have a catch up between their families. Later that evening, Lucy wanted to ask her mom, MUM, mom, it stands for mother in British. Okay, so mom means mother. Lucy wanted to ask her mom some questions about the family. At first, she hesitated. Hesitated means she spoke, but she was stopping and then she was talking again. She was stopping again and she was talking. That's why she was hesitated. Okay. Then she found the courage to stammer. As I told you, stammer means hesitated. Mom, can I ask you a question? Why did Dad and Uncle Ed split up? As I told you, split up means break up, to stay away from one another, to go away. So by reading this line, we gain the answer. We have chosen the answer, correct answer. That here was, read and choose the correct answer. Who quarreled? A, Lucy and her cousin Alice, or B, Lucy's dad and his brother Ed. So this line tells us that the option must be selected number B, because Lucy's dad and his brother Ed had quarreled. Okay. So why did Dad and Uncle Ed split up? I know, they had an argument about the business. It was very upsetting for us all, snapped Mom. The meaning of snap is a sharp noise. Her mother talks in very high volume and sudden. But was Uncle Ed dishonest? Continued Lucy. Was he breaking the law? No, not at all, answered Mom, beginning to confide in Lucy. It means now her mother Lucy was talking with very belief in her daughter. There was a disagreement about business plans. Uncle Ed wanted to take bigger risk. If all went well, we would all have made a lot of money, but if the business had done badly, we could have lost all our money and this house too. So Uncle Ed got very upset and went away. Does Dad miss him? Lucy asked softly. I think so, but he doesn't talk about it, replied Mom. So it was the activity to choose the answer A. Lucy and her cousin Alice had quarreled, or Lucy's dad and his brother Ed had quarreled. So as we all know that Lucy's dad and his brother Ed had quarreled. Now dear students, I am telling you the complete summary of this lesson or complete meaning in simple words. that यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं एक फैमिलीज़ की. एक फैमिली है लूसी की और दूसरी उसकी कज़न एलिस, जिनके जो फादर्स थे वो आपस में ब्रदर्स थे दोनों, और वो बिज़नेस की बातों पर एक दूसरे से स्प्लिट अप ब्रेकअप हो गया था उनका, यानी एक दूसरे से दूर हो गए थे. तो जब लूसी ने पूछा अपनी मदर से कि क्या हुआ था, क्या अंकल एड बिज़नेस में कुछ बेईमान थे, या उन्होंने कुछ गलत काम किए थे, या उन्होंने कानून तोड़े थे, या वो गैर कानूनी तौर से पैसे कमा रहे थे. तो उनकी मदर ने उन्हें बहुत तसल्ली देते हुए कहा कि नहीं, अंकल एड ने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया था, वो बिल्कुल ऑनेस्ट थे, वो ईमानदार थे, बेईमान नहीं थे. बट वो बिज़नेस में बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क लगाना चाहते थे, यानी वो चाहते थे कि बिज़नेस में और ज़्यादा पैसे जो हैं खर्च कर दिए जाएँ, बिज़नेस को बढ़ा दिया जाए. तो अगर वो सब कुछ ठीक होता तो हमारे पास बहुत से पैसे होते, बट अगर ये तरकीब काम न करती तो हमारे पास जो कुछ भी है वो भी छिन जाता, यहाँ तक कि जिस हाउस में हम रह रहे हैं ये भी. देन Lucy is asking her mother that our dad miss him. क्या हमारे अब्बू अपने भाई को मिस करते हैं? Her mother replies that I think so, but he doesn't talk about it, replied Mom. If someone is angry on someone, अगर कोई किसी पर नाराज़ है तो वो इतनी बिल्कुल जल्दी एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते. अगर सोचते भी हैं पर बात नहीं करते या उस बातों का जिक्र नहीं करते. That's why it is called a quarrel. There are two brothers who are talking with themselves, and here is your homework and also suggestion to complete it. The homework is exercise 3. Find words or phrases in the exercise 2 to complete the sentences. You have been giving the first letter of each blank to complete it. Okay, the word must start from B if it is number 1 blank. Okay, so how would you make it easy? It is a very difficult activity. You must listen or read. You must read exercise number 2. Read and answer the questions from forward day or 2 to the complete email. Okay, you must read half of this page to accumulate the answers of activity number 3. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so that's for now. It is time for us to end the lecture. Your lecture here. We will meet inshallah if God wills in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.